So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy high dividend stocks inside of your FHSA or your first home savings account here in Canada. So first thing you have to do is go into your Wealthsimple account and either open up an FHSA if you haven't already, or make sure that you guys go into your FHSA account if you've already signed up for one through Wealthsimple. So once that is done, I want you to go to where it says trade in the bottom left and press on trade. Now, what you can either do is if you know the high dividend ETF or the high dividend stock that you're looking for, you can simply just go to the search bar at the top and search up the ticker symbol or search up the name of the stock. But what you can also do is just explore different stocks as well to make sure that you're getting a high dividend one. So go to the bottom left and press on the magnifying glass icon. What you can either do is go to where it says most active stocks and you can press on more and simply just scroll a whole bunch of different stocks here. Or what you can do is just sort of slide this bar to the right. You can look at the top gainers, the top losers, the most active ETFs, whatever the case may be. Or what you can do as well is go to the top and search on and press on search. And if you wanted to find perhaps some high dividend ones, what you can either do is go to all categories right here, and you can actually view a whole bunch of different categories. So for example, some categories of stocks actually have higher yields than others. So the banking stocks would have some, energy stocks would have some, for example. Perhaps there's some ETFs as well. Whatever the case may be, you can sort of go through this way and actually find, finance stocks, whatever the case may be, high interest ETFs. So a whole bunch of different stuff here, which you can hopefully use to find some high dividend paying stocks here in Wealthsimple. So if you wanted to do this by category, you can definitely do that as well. Or what you can do is just go to the search bar at the top and you can search up simply dividend. So search up dividend right here. If you press on next, a whole bunch of different options here. So there's a whole bunch of different options that come up in case you're looking for stuff. So if you wanted to do, for example, how about we use this as an example? How about we use stock ticker symbol DFN, so dividend 15 split corp. What you can do is go ahead and press on this, scroll down to where you want the yield. So this yield right here, for example, is 14.65%, which is a very high paying dividend stock. Now make sure obviously you're doing your research and your due diligence when you're buying stocks, but if you wanted to check out the yield or how much a dividend will be paying out from a stock, just slide down here, go to the yield and look at the percentage there. So if you wanted to buy a high dividend stock like this one, you definitely can, or you can go back and do whatever stock you want. Basically do your research in regards to buying a high dividend stock. Look at the high dividend stocks there, but let's just say, for example, you wanted to purchase this stock. So we'll go ahead and press on this one, go to where it says buy at the bottom, and then press on, if you want to limit buy, you can do the shares there, or what you can do is press on limit buy in the top left. You can go to market buy, recurring buy, stop limit buy, whatever the case may be. Once that is done, go to the bottom right, review your purchase, and then you can purchase this inside of your FHSA in regards to a high dividend stock, if you so choose to, in your first home savings account. So that's how you guys can do it. It's pretty straightforward. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.